Whose is this one for? Tasmin!
Oh wow, Tasmin's got a present.
I'm just going to open the blinds in it.
Wow! Oh my gosh, she's stamped for me.
Wow! Look at that. Give it to Taz. Give it to Tasmin. Wow.
Wow!
So you can get another present then? Let's see if we can find one for Tia. What's that one say? That's to Tasmin as well. Get one for you. Let's see if we can find one for you a minute. Hang on, what's this one over there? Okay, yeah, take that one in then.
What is it then? It says, to Tia, love Mummy and Daddy.
What is it going to be? I know what this is.
What is it?
I don't know! What is it?
Oh, it's for doing your hair.
What
You
do
can
you
make
say?
bracelets, and it'll also... It also
for doing your hair.
does your hair, plats your hair.
Let's go and get another one for Tasmin, Tia, shall we?
Yeah! Tasman.
That's for Tasmin. Okay.
Let's open mine.
In a minute, hang on, let's just get everything sorted out a minute.
Let's open yours.
Tasmin! Taz!
Here you
Your present. Looks like she likes that, Mummy.
go. Wow, look at that.
Oh, Taz, what's that?
A bunny rabbit. A bunny rabbit? Hey, what? Give up. There's more present now.
Hang on, Tia.
Yeah. I love mine.
Oh, she's-
I love mine. What's that? What's that?
it plats your hair.
That's my hair.
Yeah.
Does it look like a hair dryer?
Right, Tia, let's have a look at here. What can we find for Tia?
And what's this one?
Hang on. See if we can find one.
Tasman? Tasman? This is for Taz.
Hang on, Tia.
Who's
Yeah.
that for?
That is for Taz.
Hey, what's these for? This is
Try
for
this one, Tia. Take that one in there for you.
For me!
Mummy! No, hurry! Mummy!
What is that going to be?
I don't know.
What is it?
I don't know. From Toy Story.
What is it?
Toy Story!
Who is it?
Jessie.
What do you think? Isn't that what you wanted?
Yeah. For me